lovely today where I am, thank you for asking. The sun is shining and everything looks so green and lush. It's definitely a perfect day for an outdoor activity. How about where you are? How's the weather?
Hello there, I'm glad to hear that you're enjoying the beautiful weather. And it's always a great feeling when the sun is shining and everything looks so fresh and new. What types of activities do you like to do when the weather is nice? Do you have any favorite outdoor hobbies?
Hi there! Yes, I'm definitely enjoying the beautiful weather. It's so nice to be able to get outside and appreciate the fresh air and sunshine. The world just seems brighter and more alive when the weather is nice, doesn't it? Do you have any fun outdoor activities planned for today?
Hey, I totally agree with you. There's nothing quite like the feeling of the sun on your skin and the breeze in your hair. Do you have any favorite outdoor activities that you like to do on days like this?
Hair on a beautiful day. It's a great time to be outside and enjoy nature. What do you like to do on nice days like this?
Hey there! I completely agree. Days with good weather are the best for enjoying the outdoors. I love to go for long walks and take in the fresh air and beautiful scenery. I find it really relaxing and a great way to clear my head. What about you? What are your favorite activities to do on sunny days?
Hey there! I love spending time outdoors too. Some of my favorite activities include hiking, camping, and fishing. I find that being out in nature really helps me clear my mind, and it's a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's also a good way to get some exercise and fresh air. What are your favorite outdoor activities?
Hey there! I couldn't agree more. Spending time in nature is so refreshing and helps me feel more focused as well. I really enjoy hiking and camping as well, but I'm also a big fan of going to the beach and soaking up the sun. There's nothing quite like the sound of waves crashing and the feeling of sand between your toes. Have you gone to the beach recently? If so, what is your favorite?
Absolutely. Spending time in nature can be very therapeutic and